Hi everyone, welcome to Sweet and Savory Treats with Gia, and today I'm making my famous Dynamite Spicy Tuna Rolls. So I found this tuna roll recipe online and I tweaked it a lot. So basically what you do is you take this is the caviar of the carrot. So if you have a juicer, this is the back end of the carrot. You put the juice aside, but then you take the inside of the carrot or the outside, the unjuiced part. And I put some ginger in my juicer. So this is carrot and ginger. I have the Best Foods vegan mayonnaise. Love it. Don't judge me on how I pronounce this because I cannot get it right. You can put in the comments after you like and subscribe how I should say it. But I think this is Furikake. I think that's it. And then we have our Sriracha, little sesame seed. We've got some cucumbers, some avocado, and then we have our oyster. These are oyster mushrooms that I've sliced and I've coated with cornstarch. And if you want to use the eggless eggs and then put the cornstarch, you can, but I don't use the eggless eggs this time, but I will put the recipe below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I have my oil heating over here. So we're just going to put the oyster mushrooms into the oil to make sure this is hot. It's not hot enough, so we'll wait. Let that heat up. While that heats up, you're going to take your carrot and ginger mixture. This is the pulp of the carrot. It's the pulp. 2 tablespoons of vegan mayonnaise. And 2 tablespoons of Sriracha. I don't know what the refrigerator is doing, but that was the refrigerator is. Get a spoon, get all that goodness. You can find this mayonnaise at Kroger's or at Rouse. Trader Joe's and all of the stores have a variant of it. So then you're just going to mix it up. You want to make sure that your carrots are strained because you want them dry. You do not want a wet carrot because what happens is the nori gets too soft. And then you have like a chewy nori. Which that happened to me last time I made them because I didn't strain all the juice off. Just going to mix that up. And this is going to be the spicy tuna version part of it. So then you're going to take about a tablespoon of furikake. You can find this. Trader Joe's has this. It's in the freezer section. I saw it today there. Rouse has it. Most grocery stores have it. If you're curious if your grocery store has it, all you have to do is call them. Call ahead and ask for the rice seasoning furikake. We're going to put a little more. I always like a little more. I'm going to mix that all up. And that's what's actually going to give it its sushi taste. And so that's all mixed up. Let's check and see if our oil is hot enough. Yeah, that's good. So we're just going to fry these up really quick. And I have avocado oil. This is about maybe a half a cup of avocado oil. And let those fry up, get crispy. Some paper towels so we can soak up that oil. Make sure that's all incorporated. You're going to need this. You're going to need this when you roll the sushi. Don't need that anymore. Don't need that. We're going to sprinkle this on top. I made a Dynamite Sauce, which is just the vegan mayonnaise and Sriracha, to go on top of the oyster mushrooms, which are scallops, because Dynamite rolls normally have scallops on top, but this time we're using oyster mushrooms. Wash them. So I like to roll without a rolling, the rolling little bamboo thing. So the shiny side goes at the bottom, the crinkly side goes on top. You're gonna take rice. I buy the jasmine rice that you can cook in minutes because you want to use old rice. The hot rice, it can be too hot for your sushi roll. So let me move this so you can see. Just gonna kind of get it all at the end. And you can wet your hand so the rice doesn't stick to your fingers. And kind of just like flatten it out down at the back side. The side that's closest to you. Then you're gonna put a little bit of the carrot on top. Just kind of mold it in. Make sure your hands are clean. Don't want the hand police coming after you. And then I'm gonna flatten that out. We're gonna put 2 cucumber spears. And some avocado. Can go over the top with avocado. Don't want it to fall, so push it down. This one may be too thick. I cut that one too thick. Okay. So then you have that. And then you take your sriracha and you're just gonna do a little zigzaggy over the top. And then you're gonna take the sushi and you're gonna like tuck and roll like you're in a fire drill. Tuck and roll. It's gonna get kind of messy, but just keep tucking, keep rolling. Tuck and roll. Just like this. And you can do it pretty tight. I mean, if you don't know how to roll sushi, then use the sushi paper. I mean, the sushi roller. If not, if you know how, then you can do it freehand like this. And then you're just going to take your knife, and you maybe need to wet your knife to go through it easy. But there we go. What we're gonna do is take our plate, stand them up. And I'm making a spicy tuna dynamite roll. So we've cooked our scalloped oysters, mushrooms. I said scalloped oyster mushrooms. We cooked our oyster mushrooms, not scalloped oyster mushrooms. And then we'll just plate this all up like that. Then we're going to toss these in the sauce. These, I hope you guys can see this. Let me bring it this way. We're going to toss the cooked mushrooms into the sauce. Give them a little coating. And you're just going to put them on top. But I want more of the actual mushroom on top than the sauce. And this is a Dynamite sushi roll. Toss it over here. This is messy, guys. And on top. There we go. My messy hands. Okay, so I sliced the sushi rolls and I put the oyster mushrooms with the Dynamite sauce on top of the sushi. And I used Kikkoman's ponzu sauce. I like it. You can make your own, but if you're wanting a quick little thing, quick little sauce to eat with your sushi. It's really cool. Then you can like pick it up. Here we go. Dip it into your ponzu. And it tastes just like traditional sushi without meat. So tune in for my next episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe below. And I hope you leave comments on how you liked your vegan sushi rolls. Bye.